In today's chemical and petrochemical industries, safety, precision, and reliability are non-negotiable. Here at AW Lake, we understand the challenges of handling corrosive, aggressive liquids and gases. Our flow meters are designed to meet those exacting demands. Our tri-core Coriolis meters are ideal for mass flow, density, and temperature measurement. Our turbine and gear meters are perfect for volumetric flow measurement. And for challenging media, we offer the helical and ultrasonic technologies, from blending and batching to dosing systems. AW Lake's meters bring easy installation, reliable performance, and long service life in your toughest chemical process environments. From calibration through installation, our team stands ready to support you from quote to commission and even beyond, making your flow measurement journey smooth and efficient. With AW Lake's flow measurement solutions, you can optimize performance, improve safety, and reduce cost of ownership in your chemical processing operations. To learn more, visit our website at aw-lake.com.